Time for some Maheshwaris and Chanderis. So it's a first Maheshwari sari. Before I could actually showcase, it got booked from the studio itself. So this is a Maheshwari. It's a very traditional and a very very intricate paisley block. Always in fashion. Paisleys are always in fashion. So that's the palla. That is the palla. That is the body. Paisleys are always in fashion. See, such a grand palla, such a grand looking palla, and this is the body. See the body, block. This is a very very known, very traditional Maheshwari border, and that's the whole sari. These are these saris are taller than the linens, the cotton by linen which I showcased. These are taller. So this is the this is the pleat, whole pleat. The whole sari looks like this. Absolutely rich and rich Mughal look, rich Mughal look. And this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Sari number 1, Maheshwari. Just check it out. How beautiful. And complete Mughal buta. This paisleys are absolute Mughal butas. These are also used in ajrak. These paisleys are also used in ajrak. The second one, see how pretty peach. Summers are all about peach and pink and lavenders and pastels. So another very very pretty peach color, very pretty peach color. See the palla, extremely beautiful palla. So this palla, this part of the palla, this block is also on the blouse piece. This part is also given on the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece also, and the body has this kind of floral motifs. How pretty are these floral motifs? Just check it out. Just check it out. Floral, very 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 pretty. It's a baby pink and peach. It's a peach pink kind of a blend, and looks amazingly beautiful, and gives a very light effect on your body. Gives a very light effect, gives a very effervescent effect on your body, gives a radiance. This kind of colors, see, this is the color. This kind of colors look very radiant, very nice, and a very summery, so beautiful. So that's the sari, second Maheshwari, and this is the blouse. The third Maheshwari in this, acha do hi tha. Okay, sorry. So there were 3 Maheshwaris, one got sold. So now are the Chanderis. So these are the Chanderi block printed saris. These are in silk by cotton Chanderi. It's a peach orange brick color combination. It's a leaf pattern on the body. Very beautiful fabric. Gives a very silky look. It appears to be silk, absolutely silk. So that's the palla. That is the palla. The blend is very beautiful. Beautiful, the body structure, and lovely fabric. See, it's a very beautiful fabric. Again, pretty sari for summers. Very pretty sari, and the color is also quite attractive. It's rust brown kind of a combination, and the body has, this is the border, and the blouse piece is like this. So it's a very attractive sari, and absolute pure silk by cotton Chanderi. There is no mix, it's a pure fabric. So Chanderi sari number 1, Chanderi sari number 2, this is Chanderi sari number 2, another very pretty sari, beautiful, absolutely. See the palla, what graceful palla. See the body, how beautiful is the body. The body is a very jal jangla kind of a body. There is and the border, see, it's kind of such dabu block on the border. So this that's the body. Very nice color combination. It is darker than the previous one. That's the color combination. Chanderi sarees are always very suitable for any kind of function, any kind of function, then office wear, summer parties, You can wear a sleeveless blouse, or you can just wear it like this. I mean, proper with sleeve blouse, and very styling. I mean, various styling you can do for the blouses. Another, I just break the shade, the shade, I mean, the shade which I was showing in the darker version. So coming to the lighter version. So coming to the lighter version. So this is the beige. This is a beige color. So this is the palla. This is the palla of the sari. Very nice and very intricately done. See these lines. All, it seems that, absolute water painting, watercolor painting. The look of the saris, absolutely just beautiful, so that is the sari body, and that's the blouse. Another Chanderi Siko silk by cotton with Sanganer handwork printing. Now I come to another sari. So these are resembling the natural colors, the Vanaspati colors. So they are called the Vanaspati, blocks. So this is the palla. This is the palla. Beautiful palla. The body and the border. This is the body. It's a beautiful light olive, it's an olive kind of a combination, the whole body has this kind of a get up, and that is the body of the sari, whole body of the sari. And see, this is the blouse, deep olive. This is deep olive color, a little towards mehendi, and the body is beautiful olive color. So this is also another combination one can go for, and that's the whole body of the sari. Please take a screenshot and do let me know if any sari is appealing to you. There are, in my whole team of patrons, there are many who love chanderis, especially chanderis. So I would showcase, I'm especially showcasing these chanderis for them. So that's the palla, that is the palla, hand block printed. This comes in dabu. This is a dabu effect palla, and that's another full dabu body. Dabu body, where this, these all get covered by mud. This all get covered by mud, and then the whole sari, after drying, it is dyed in shades in indigo, and then again the recoloring is done. So the process is quite tedious. And you cannot do dabu print in any kind of air and airy situations. It has to be completely dry, and not even fan, because then the wood, the burada, the sawdusts, they just fly from all over. So you can't really do that. So that's the whole sari. So it's a very tedious process and very, very hard for people to do it. So whoever loves this kind of printing, definitely go for it, so that it actually eventually helps them, the craftsmen, the artisans who are dharohar of these crafts, can be benefited. Another extremely beautiful, the birds. See the birds, such cute little birds in the whole sari, bird block. And see the border, this bird block. Whole sari has this kind of cute little bird, and this is the bird block on the palla, and this is the palla. See how pretty is the palla, see the birds and the tree, that kind of a motif has been given. The whole sari has this indigo color, and cutest teeny mini birds with their all antiques, all their flying antiques, the position, everything. So this is the sari, very nice, pretty, tall sari. And see, all the positions of the birds are different. Some are just sitting like this, some are sitting like this, flying, just taking off position. So such pretty birds all over in the sari, and that's the blouse piece. So another very, very beautiful chanderi, one only in tie-dye, lovely color combination. So this is shibori. This patchwork has been done. So this sari gets a very beautiful shibori big circle on the palla, and on the palla is this shibori circle. See, very pretty. This is all tie dye. You know, the fabric is tied in various places. When I come close, you can see it. So these are tied and then dyed. So there are concepts like green and white blotches, this kind of rhombus figures, rhombus, and the color is extremely beautiful. The color of the sari is very, very passionate color. It's a passionate pink color. It's a peach pink, kind of a flesh tint color. Lovely peach pink color. And the blouse piece is lovely, you know, deep olive kind of a blouse piece. It's a deep olive kind of a blouse piece, so this matches with the palla. So that's also a very, very grand sari. It's a grand tie-dye sari, and it would look very nice when you drape it. It looks very smart with a green blouse. It looks very smart. And the final in the whole series is this blue hand block sari. Again, a very traditional block motif, a very traditional paisley block motif on the pallu, and the body has this kind of a block, this kind of block. So this is another dabu where this you know, the palla is looking like this, the palla is coming like this, and that's the whole body. That's the whole body. The whole body has this beautiful, there is a green selvage, and again my necklace would actually go so well with this kind of a sari. So see the sari get up, that's the sari whole get up, and this part is the blouse. So the small motifs with one side border, this is the blouse piece. That's the blouse piece, that's the whole sari. Very, very pretty sari. If I do a quick, you know, if I do a quick pleats, you get to understand this. And it has a vertical block, so the pleats will look very very pretty. The pleats will look very pretty. See, it has a vertical block line, so the pleats will look very pretty. So this is the whole sari. Thank you so much. Please get back to me and I will give you the details. Thank you.